Yes. Okay. Welcome back to another live. Also, while you are, yes. So while, give me 1 second. So sorry. Yes. So welcome back, right? So welcome back to another live video. So what we basically do here is we try and understand what happens in the market, right? So this is we do this by basic analysis such as option chain or OI, and we try and read the charts as well, right? And what level or what support resistance where it is majorly playing at, right? So yes, this is what we basically do, and for those of you who keep joining every day and watch the sections, welcome back, and we shall start today's section right away, right? Just give me 1 second. Also, if you do find any issues with the voice, or if any video issues that you're not able to see clearly, please make sure you put it in the comments below as well. So yes, let's quickly get started. So yes, what an expiry, right? So the May expiry is currently done, and we shall be starting the next expiry analysis from tomorrow itself, right? So today, as we expected yesterday, we saw a lot of because we saw a lot of OI build up in the calls in the call side, right? So we saw a lot of build up in the call side, which told us that it should be headed a little more low, and that's exactly what happened today itself. The market headed very low as expected. So any for example, in Nifty, any 18,400, 18,000. 450, 18,500, everything would have gone to zero, right? Which would have been a safe sell bet, at least. I only So we saw a little uh, recovery towards the end where it completely recovered from the bottom, right? So we just quickly check Nifty charts as we started out, and we also understand how the markets actually went, right? So, looking at yesterday's analysis went quite right? So Nifty, yes. So 18,324 is where it ended at. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so 18,324 is where it ended, which was quite the recovery, right? I think this happened only in the last hour, which was a very wild movement, right, towards the end. So all the hero zeros out there, they must have. So if you were on the call sides, at least after 230, you must have 100% become a hero, right? And if you were on the put side, you would have lost some amount of money, right? So let me know in the comments if you guys did take any trades, and was it a hero trade towards the end, right? So anything called towards the end would have been a hero trade, which would have been quite the amount. It had quite a good rally where and it was a very fast rally as well, where you would have made lots of money, right? So let me know if you did take a zero hero trade in today's monthly expiry, right? So yes, coming to the markets and what happened today, as we predicted yesterday, we did predict market to head lower. It The exact point was 18,200, right? So that was exactly the strong support zone that we had spoken in yesterday's video, telling that 18,200 and below we should be headed in bloodbath manner. But yeah, 18,200 was a very strong support, above which we should stay above that, and below at least 18,400, 18,450, right? So that was the complete idea. And as we saw, exactly what happened, only we saw a recovery to uh, PM onwards, right, towards the end, and this was a complete rally to come back and break the day high as well, right? So we ended at around 18,324, which is very high, right? So yes, we saw yes 18,300 in the morning is where what is this time? Yes, 9:50 is where it exactly touched and fell from as well, right? So that was one thing. So this was one of the trades I was looking at here, which almost gave you a very good risk to reward ratio as well, 3.78, where you could have made money, right? But yes, an exit would have been at the end of this, that is 18,213, which was the previous low, right? So yes, that's exactly what happened in Nifty. Coming quickly to Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty, yes. So what a very good expiry, right? I think I remember saying in the beginning of May that we would be headed much more high towards the all-time high, right? So that was what we had expected at the beginning of May. That was again, right? That is looking at the market, looking at the sentiment around markets as well, looked very bullish, right? But yes, we should be still bullish from the beginning of the month at least. But yes, you look at it here, we're again, so Bank Nifty, we are at around 43,680, right? 700 being a good resistance range, and this was another range, 43,500, which we saw as a support, right? So again, Bank Nifty also similar to Nifty, we did expect it to go very low analysis, right? So for those of you who wants to know how we did predict it, again, it's direct. We've been using the analysis on Stolo itself, and we're trying to predict, right? And the idea is obviously you won't get 100% of the predictions right. It's the idea is to get majority of them right. So yes, you can all make sure you watch the previous video as well on how we did think that it would be a very low expiry, but yes, towards the and we saw the complete recovery in both, even in Bank Nifty, right? So yes, coming to Bank Nifty, very similar to Nifty, right? So this is around 210 is where all the movement started, right? We saw a low of 43,389. So yes, it did move below 43,400 as well, which actually is very low, right? Our next support. At least I think this is a previously marked support, which is at 43,300, which looks very at least bearish for the market in Bank Nifty today, right? And the recovery was quite good in both. We saw it coming completely, even I think, yes, Bank Nifty as well, we saw it break the day high, right? So the recovery from the end was amazing. So that's why a lot of zero hero trades would have happened at least after 2 p.m. today. There must have been a lot of zero hero trades. Let me know if any of you did take any trades, right? So yes, that is the analysis for today. So exactly, we'll start. So for the usually we do the prediction part as well, but then we should start it fresh tomorrow, right? We should do that for the next expiry. We'll start June expiries analysis from tomorrow, and we'll start the whole journey in the June month, right? So yes, very exciting month ahead as well. I can't wait to see what actually happens in the market. But yes, May expiry was very well. We expected it to be much more bullish than this all-time high was what we expected at the beginning. It did not reach there, but it was a good month, right? So let me know how your complete month in May went in the comments. Good, bad, will improve, anything, right? So that's the idea. It's to stay in the game, enjoy the game, and obviously make profits. So yes, as usual, thank you so much for joining in. we shall catch you in the next expiry. Thank you.